Hello, how can you stay in creation with your health when you are just slammed with chronic pain, chronic indigestion? How can you get out of this cycle of obligation? So, obligation looks like, oh, I have to be eating this today. I should be doing this. And you get really, really tired. That comes from a very fear-based mentality. So, obligation, you eventually get really, really tired. When you get fatigued and you get exhausted, then you kind of want to rebel. Rebel doesn't mean fighting with guns a-blazing. Sometimes it just means going to sleep. Sometimes it means leaving. Sometimes it just means kind of checking out, where you just are not engaged or isolating. And then once that rebellion continues, you think, I might as well just quit. This is so stupid. I don't want to be doing this anymore. Then eventually, if you have committed to that, you kind of feel guilty about quitting. People are depending upon me. This job I need, my health I need. I feel guilty. So, okay, I'm going to do this. I have to be doing this. I'm going to recommit. And the cycle of obligation just continues over and over and over again. Creation, on the other end, has this energy of, I get to be doing this. I want to be engaged in my health right now. I'm choosing to show up at my therapy or my gym, or I'm choosing to get up early to spend some time with myself because that's something that I want to do. Do you feel the difference between, I must do this right now? It's slight, it's nuanced, but that little shift will allow you to stay in creation, which will allow you to experience joy, which will be inspiring in your goals moving forward. Hope that helps.